Hello student, Namaste Sawajanalai. So today I am going to provide you a short trick to remember the examples of filter feeder. This is the underrated topic. No one used to teach us about this, but sometime examiner may ask the example of feeder. So student, let's move in the topic and please make your note properly. So the trick is to remember the example of filter feeder. There is one trick and the trick is how you are SP. Yes, how you are SP H W U S P. So let's move into its example. We have in first we have H. So H means hemichordata. 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 In second we have W. So W means whale. Balloon whale. In 3 we have U. U means unio, or we can say bivalvia class of family mollusca. Bivalvia class of family mollusca. And now in fourth we have S. So from S we have shark and sponge. Firstly sponge is important. Sponge, shark. And now we have in fifth we have P. So P means paramecium and protochordata. So this is the trick. So H means hemichordata, W means whale, U means unio, that is bivalvia class of family mollusca, and S means sponge and shark, P means paramecium, protochordata. So this is the short and sweet topic. So this much for today. Thank you for the class.